Power supplies are critical components that provide the necessary electrical energy for electronic devices, ranging from simple circuits to complex systems. This tutorial delves into the importance of power supplies, emphasizing their role in ensuring that electronic projects function correctly. Understanding how power supplies work and how to select the appropriate one can significantly impact the success of any electronics endeavor. The tutorial covers the essential components and functionalities of power supplies, offering practical project experience to reinforce learning. By the end of the tutorial, participants will have gained valuable knowledge to make informed decisions regarding power supplies in their future projects. Power supplies convert electrical energy from a source into a usable form, allowing all components to operate within specified parameters. This understanding is vital for anyone working with electronics, whether they are powering small microcontrollers or large industrial machines. The principles of power supply design remain consistent across various applications, equipping individuals to tackle diverse projects, troubleshoot problems, and enhance performance. Ultimately, this tutorial aims to highlight that power supplies are not just accessories, but essential elements that ensure the smooth operation of any electronic circuit.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.